Hey, hey, hey! Too much.
What's up, guys? I'm Ryan.
And I'm Mary.
And we are happy to be here.
Happy to be here, baby.
We travel full time. We've been traveling over
a year.
Over a year now.
Freaking crazy.
Traveling full time on the road, and 11 months of that has been in the van.
So at this point, we feel like we've kind of honed in those key features that we really, really love about the van. Things that we just feel like have elevated van life for us. Things that we just wouldn't want to live without. Makes it feel very much like a home in here. Anything?
Yeah, no, Mary, that was a good point.
You're so annoying. You're so annoying.
No, I'm just kidding.
Do you want to take over? Because every time you take over, words don't come out. So I'm just trying to keep the blood flowing in this group.
No,
I'm trying to keep the squad on my shoulders.
These are the top five. These are the top 5 things that I think.
Some of us are born with it. That's all I've got to say. Keep saying it. What now? Tell them what we doing today. Since you don't like how I say things.
No, I think you did fine.
What you got for the people?
You did.
Sounds like you got it all figured
fine,
out.
man.
All right, man.
All right.
Lead us in.
A little scrappy.
Lead us in.
Let's see.
Right.
So
some of us can't dive into the deep end, and that's fine. Back up off this camera. What we're doing today is really cool. We're about to bust out this awesome video. We're really excited. Can't wait to tell you about these 5 features. We even have a bonus feature.
Indeed we do.
Let's get it. Bring it on in.
Let's go.
Hey, bring it on in.
Hey, bring it in.
We've got a guest room.
We do.
Just for you.
All right.
Okay. All right, so the way that Ryan and I have decided to do this is we've picked our top 5. 5 being the still important, but the least important, all the way up to 1, which is the most important thing that we feel like we couldn't live without on the road. Ready? Number 5 is the cassette toilet. So this is really cool. We've just noticed that every van seems to have a different system. We really love the cassette toilet system. So you just open this bad boy up, you pop this out, you take this little baby off, and then you're able to just dump it just like that. And it's just so convenient not having to remove your toilet from the inside, like having something that's already on the outside so you're not carrying your pee through your home, you know? Nice, very clean, very efficient. We love the cassette toilet. And we have indicators in here that tell us when it's getting full, which is great because then we don't have to like stress about it. We can see when it's getting full. We know when it's time. We usually get about like 5 days out of this bad boy. Wouldn't you say? 5 days?
Yep.
All right, Ryan is now going to show you feature 4.
All right, so this was probably the most important besides one of the other features. I would say pretty high priority for me when I was getting a van. And it's gonna have to be the swivel seats.
Love them.
Especially a van. A van, it opens up the space like drastically. You see right now, this is kind of like in the way, right? You know, and being able to open this van up, we're gonna go ahead and turn this one now. You get to turn this around, and then you can actually go back and then put the seat, kind of lean it back a little bit. And look how much,
oh yeah.
Look how open the van is now. So you can come in, sit down, hang out, you can play some games, do whatever. And also when you're sitting here, get an open view of not only out this door, but also the windows and stuff too. And you can just see these beautiful views. This is what we see when we sit in the seat and just kind of hang out while we're, you know, working, gaming. I mean, it's just a gorgeous view, as you can see when you're sitting here, and you can kind of overlook all the mountains and all the outside activities.
It's so nice to have a place to sit together, ain't it?
It really is.
Yeah, we be getting cozy up in these swivel seats, boy.
It's nice, man. It really opens up things.
It does.
I mean, it makes our van look so much bigger too, in the space-wise.
It feels huge in here right now because we have things put away and nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Even
really
having
great.
those back doors open. Man, this is nice.
Back doors open, side doors.
I get used to this.
The van, honestly, the best feature about the van is having the back doors that open wide open. I think that was honestly.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's honestly the best feature of the van.
We love those doors out back.
Yeah, originally when we first started looking at the vans, being able to open up those back doors and just lay in bed and be right there within nature,
it's nice.
it's amazing.
It
but
is.
the swivel seats are by far like one of my top, favorites.
Me too.
Really, honestly.
All of these are tops because if we're getting down to nitty gritty, there are a bunch of features on here that are just like, to me, I'm like, man, I don't want to not have that. But these are just, we had to narrow it down, baby. So these go in. There's no way they couldn't go in, so.
Yeah, and especially having two of them. I love that you can open up two seats and just, but that is number 4. So I'm gonna hand you back over to Mary for our number 3 pick.
Dope. Welcome back. Thing number 3 is honestly probably number 1 thing you need in life, which is water. However, we put it at number 3 specifically because it's a 50-gallon water tank. And for us, we know that you don't need 50 gallons, but having 50 gallons, my friend, nice. Very nice. The 50-gallon water tank is actually located underneath of our bed, and we have a bunch of stuff under there right now, so I'm gonna take you to the past to see a couple little clips of our water gallon and all that good stuff, our water tank. But yeah, man, you just got our water in our regular sink. We've got our water for our shower over here. We've got that beautiful filtered water feature right next to us, and we fill up Cisco's water, and I fill water up all the time with that. Ryan's too good for this kind of water, but Cisco and I drink that water, and we're just fine.
I agree to disagree. First off,
whatever.
She just always gets on me because I get Mountain Valley water and Saratuca. It's just because they're in glass. That's all. Bottled by the source. Anyways.
A scene stealer.
By the way, look at the.
Is it so pretty back there?
Yeah.
It is cool, man. Just makes you want to cuddle up on that bed, don't it?
It does.
Oh. Thing 3, yeah. So that's that. Where else was I going with that? Oh, I was able to take that nice shower outside because we have so much extra water. You know, I was able to wash my head this morning. Love it. I love it. Love the water. You need water. We have tons of it. So like, if we're going out into the desert with 50 gallons, we're gonna make it sometime. We're gonna be all right. So that's why that's number 3. You got number 2?
I got number 2.
Let's get it.
All right, Mary's gonna go ahead and explain number 2 as well.
I'm gonna do number 2 because I can't explain number 1. It's too complicated for me. That's Ryan territory. I don't play with that. So I'm gonna do number 2. Here we go. Number 2, baby. That bad boy. Our air conditioner paired with, back up, please, back up. To the right, to the right. Paired with our Max Air fan. What a combo. Can I get an amen for the Max Air and the air conditioner, Ryan? Oh my gosh, amen, hallelujah. This bad boy, we set it at like what, a 66, between like 66 and 70. It pulls quite a bit of power, but it has saved us more times than we can count on those hot nights.
Oh yeah, it definitely does.
Dude.
And also it gets very cold. You know, in a normal house, your AC is usually going out of vents, and it's not like right over top of you. But since that AC unit is right above us, it gets really cold quick, so you don't even have to turn it up at all. Like,
no.
Usually even putting it at like 68, 70 on as low as it goes is perfectly fine.
Honestly, yeah, and most times Ryan and I will crack this window back here. You see it? Come forward. We'll crack that window back there, and we will just have our Max Air fan on, because what that does is it sucks this cool air and brings it forward. So we're getting cool air pulled during the night. It's honestly a big thing with Cisco if you have a dog. When we leave Cisco, we'd love him to stay up in the bed where he should be under the air conditioner, but he doesn't. He stays up here. So having this air conditioner on and that Max Air fan on pulls that cold air up to the front towards Cisco and towards us. And it just makes it feel like you're in a well air conditioned home.
It really does.
Baby, what more could you?
You got your hair blown.
Oh, I know. I washed my hair today. Hey, another benefit. Outdoor shower. Woo! We talk about that later. That's the bonus.
Awesome that you can not even use your AC unit, because we haven't used our AC unit.
Not much.
Not much. Probably maybe a few times, and only an hour or two when we left Cisco in the car during the day. So we don't use it at night at all, probably for like a month and a half now. So
we've been in perfect weather, so
so that's the best
haven't
part.
needed it.
You would be surprised how much airflow it pulls from the outside when it's nice and cool out. Pulls it in, and then we got a nice little cool night. Honestly, that's all we need. We actually had to get extra socks blankets because it started getting so cold.
Yeah, you see our arrangement of blankets up there?
Yeah,
we have too many.
crazy.
Yeah, we have too many now. All right, big boy.
Yeah, we're gonna dive into
Feature one.
our number one feature about the van, and one of the reasons we bought the van. Number one, we did a lot of research before we bought our van.
We meaning just Ryan.
Did a lot of research. Did a lot of research. Probably a lot longer than I would like to admit. But when we found this van, the biggest part is being able to be anywhere, boondocking, without having to be plugged into shore power. That was my biggest thing. And a lot of the RVs that we had, you know, before, those had like generators that are super loud, and you know, I wasn't into that anymore, and I didn't always want to be hooked up to shore power. So this meant the most to me. And it was honestly just having the Victron battery system. The solar power system has been amazing. We have two 200 watts of solar panels up top for 400 watts of solar, and then we also have 4 200 amp hour lithium batteries in the back. So we have 4 200 amp hour lithium batteries, which gives us about 800 amp hours of lithium batteries. I gotta say, like, it's been phenomenal. We get to come out to these places just like this and hang out for 4 or 5 days, and we don't have to be plugged in at all.
And we can have our laptop hooked in.
Oh yeah, multiple laptops, gaming laptops, iPads.
Right.
Our
Literally,
phones that always being charged.
we're charging our leaf blower down here right now. Right?
Yeah. So I mean, and I mean, we use a lot of power, probably more than most, to be honest. And I mean, 800 amp hours of lithium batteries have been phenomenal.
Yeah.
But also, this comes with one of the Victron energy panels. So right now, like you can see, we're actually pulling solar right now, and we also have like how much is actually coming through our actual AC load. Probably majority of it is charging that leaf blower battery right now, but we're getting more is coming in than technically going out. So really good being able to have this panel, and you can kind of switch your mode. So a lot of times we'll turn it off and on when we're not actually using it. Right now we're at 42%, and we'll probably get us at least another day, maybe 2. It really depends on how much power we use. But man, it's like probably the best part, I would say, about the van. I mean, everything else is luxury, and you know, everything else is great. But I think just being able to be anywhere in the US, and then you can just be sitting there powered up and plug all your stuff in, I think that's just amazing.
It is.
So
yeah, I guess this is almost key features for being off grid. Really, it's all the stuff that you can just solely live off these things in your van, and you're good to go.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
It really is.
Yeah, and 42% is low, but we have been out here for a minute. I mean, we've been playing our games, we've been working, we've been doing it all, and we're still only half a way through, you know?
It's amazing. I mean, I'm very overkill when it comes to stuff like that.
Same.
So I might even get another battery and put us at 1,000 amp hours. But I mean, honestly, for most people, 800, especially if you're a duo, like traveling, 800 will do you just fine.
Oh, yeah.
For you know, at least 3-4 days, 5
Yeah.
days. But yeah, we use a lot of power.
Yeah, we do. And even like the lights in the back, like we're power suckers. Like you and I like that stuff. Our whole van runs off electricity.
Oh yeah.
You know, that's just what we do. That's who we are.
It's definitely, like, I think the best part.
Definitely.
So it allows, you know, us to do what we're doing now.
This, literally, you see it.
Living, filming, charging all the batteries and all the devices it takes, drones. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. I mean, just to be content creators living on the road full time as well.
You ain't playing.
So you need power. I mean, there's no way around it really. And it's silent. It's
quiet.
It's not loud. You don't even hear it. Like when you're using power, there's nothing on. We sit out in these awesome spots and just you don't hear anything.
The only thing that is loud is the AC unit, but it's only loud on the inside, not the outside.
Yeah, the AC unit can be a little bit, but I mean, overall, I'd say that's the number one best feature about the van. It's just the resources. What do you think?
I agree. I think the way that we put these top 5 in order is accurate.
Okay, so we got one more thing. It's kind of like a bonus item.
Yeah. But it's important to us.
But it's a very important topic.
Okay. So Ryan and I will be fully transparent here when we say we kind of almost wish this thing didn't have a shower, because we realize that we don't need it as much as we thought we might. However, I'm fully aware how important a shower is when you have a van. And having not only one way to shower, but 2 ways to shower, man, that's pretty cool. That's a nice little luxury on the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you our situation here. We have a full shower here. Our cassette toilet is here, and the rest of it is a shower. Closes like a shower, works like a shower, awesome. We don't use it much, but we do use the outside shower all the time. So let's go take a look at that. Here is our outdoor shower. It is wonderful. Here's how you control the hot and the cold. And then you just pull this bad boy out and you just let her eat. Let her eat, baby. I had a shower this morning. It was great. Got my hair flowing, feeling good, feeling right. So I love that outdoor shower, and I know Ryan does too. It's so easy, especially when you're out in a place like this, just to pop your doors open, pull this thing out, and just take care of business, man. I love it. Easy to use, convenient location. Dude, you can't beat it. Can't beat it. And this is our battery system over here, water system's over here. All right, so that is everything. That's all 5 and our little bonus one that we thought would be important to other people like it is to us, so. All right, let's go finish this out.
Okay guys, so that pretty much sums up this video of our top 5
It does, yep.
features of the van.
Yep, we hope you enjoyed the features that we showed. We hope you agree with the features that we showed. If you know anything about our van, if you've been following us a while, what do you think is something we missed that maybe we should have mentioned as like a key feature? I think we got them all, but some people might have a different opinion, I don't know. For us, that was our list.
We love to hear what you guys think about the van as well.
Always.
And any ideas or anything that you think that could be better, definitely drop it in the comments, because we love reading the comments. And
and thinking of like upgrades too. We love to hear of good upgrade
what
ideas, because we got some coming, brother.
Yeah, so we would love to hear from you.
Yeah, if you didn't get the chance, we posted a video of our top 5 gadgets, like things, items that we ourselves have put into the van that we feel like have just made the van life the best. Like things that we just wouldn't want to live without, kind of the same as the features that are in here already. So if you didn't get a chance to watch that video, I'll have it linked right here. Go check that video out too and let us know what you think about our gadgets.
Absolutely.
And what we could get there that you think we should get. Like what's something we're missing that you think would take it over the top for us?
We always love recommendations.
Oh yeah,
so
man.
If you ain't growing, you dead.
Yeah, that's right, man. That's right. You gotta keep it pushing, keep it moving, keep it elevating.
Yes, I agree.
You know, if you ain't elevating, you just can't be celebrating.
That's right. You nailed it.
And we like to celebrate.
Celebrate. All right, well, I'm Ryan.
I'm Mary.
And we are happy to be here.
Yes, and we really, really hope that you are too.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Catch you later.
See ya.
Bye.